welcome to another unboxings, first impressions and hands-on of TechNave. Guys, we have a very interesting phone here today. We've already unboxed this phone before. This is the OPPO Reno 10X Zoom, which we all know and love. This is a very impressive phone. Most of all, I love the shark fin camera on top. Really nice. So there is a limited edition version of this phone, which is coming out here in Malaysia. I'm so excited, especially for us who love football. I'm gonna just show you guys the box right over here. So if you guys love football, you guys will already know what version of the phone this is. This is the limited edition FC Barcelona OPPO Reno 10X Zoom, and pre-orders for this will start soon. So let me just show you guys what this phone looks like. Okay, opening it up. Woo! Look at that, guys. You open it, the first thing you see is this very gold embossed logo here. That's awesome. And then of course you have the stripes. Oh, that looks so cool. And then you open this up here. Voila! You get to see the OPPO logo here. Global partner of FC Barcelona. This is truly an unboxing experience. So just so you guys know, the box for this is a little bit thicker and a little bit longer than your usual standard OPPO Reno 10X Zoom. Now let's have a look at the phone. So this is how the phone looks like. From the front, it just looks the same as your normal OPPO Reno 10X Zoom. But when you flip it over, oh wow, wow guys, look at the colors. This is a beautiful gradient blue and red. And then what's really cool about it is, depending on how you move it in the light, you actually get to see the FCB logo just kind of shimmer there in the background. Plus, you get the really nice logo right over here as well. And I also absolutely adore the accenting for the camera module right over here, and this round green thing here is of course what keeps the camera off the table, which is really nice. And of course over here for the power button, it has some green accents. So here's how the rest of the phone looks like, and bam! Of course, let me show you guys what else is in the box. Over in the box, you also have, whoa, this is so nice. This is the phone cover, and oh man, the hardcover is really impressive. You can see there's the stripes here, and you also have your logo, just in case you want to keep this safe. But you know, if I had this backing on the phone, I definitely wouldn't put this on, but it's still a nice choice. And then in here as well, you have your matching earphones, and this also comes with in blue. And then you have your braided, wow, this is a braided USB-C cable. And finally you have your VOOC 3.0 charging brick. Other than that, that is all that we have here in the box. Man, this has been an impressive unboxing so far. Oh, what else is in here, by the way? Up here you have some paperwork, and of course your SIM pin as well. But this is so cool to look at. Look how shimmery the paper. Oh my god, I'm getting too excited. I need to stop, guys. Alright guys, just so you guys know, this camera comes with a 32 megapixel selfie camera, which you guys can see right over here. Let me just show you. Ba-da-ba, 32 megapixels there. On the back here, you have a triple rear camera setup with 48 megapixel camera, 13 megapixel telephoto lens, and an 8 megapixel ultra wide camera. Just so you guys know, another difference on this camera, other than how it looks, is obviously the inside. It comes with a really cool Barcelona FC theme here. You can see it changed all of the icons there as well. So you know this is a huge flex if you are a Barcelona FC fan, or even if you're not, because it does look really, really cool. Other than that, we have our tech specs over on TechNave.com, so you can just go and have a look. Just so you guys know, if you guys want to get this, it is going to be available in Malaysia soon. And if you guys do get this, it does come in a bundle. You do get with this bundle the free wireless earbuds from OPPO, as well as this really awesome Barcelona backpack. Dude, if I were a Barcelona fan, I would totally be rocking this like everywhere. This is so my thing. So if you guys want to get this, the free stuff in this alone is worth 898 ringgit. Yes guys, that's a lot of money. So this is totally worth the pre-order. And pre-orders for this start on the 21st to 25th of July, with sales starting on the 26th of July at any OPPO experience store as well as online store. And let me just tell you guys, get it, it's really nice. So the price for this isn't out yet, but we will know soon, presumably on the day of the pre-order. Just so you guys know, the normal price for the OPPO Reno 10X Zoom currently goes for 3,399 ringgit. So I'm not surprised if this bundle goes around the same price as well, but we'll have to wait and see. Also, So if you guys want to try and win this, all of this, you know, want to flex your Barcelona FC fan in you, you can head on over to TechNave Chinese on the 22nd of July at 12 p.m. where they will be giving out this whole bundle for you guys. One winner to win a chance to win this. So when you go there, tell them TechNave English sent us and we're gonna take it from you guys. Be the real fan. Yep, that is all from me today, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know what else you want to see us unbox and give our first impressions on. And for more news on tech and beyond, check out TechNave.com. Alright guys, I'm gonna go and flex this phone, even though it's not mine for a little while because it looks so cool. Bye guys!